Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is my iPhone listening to me? Yes, turn these off. If you've ever talked about something near your phone and then suddenly seen an ad about it, you've probably wondered, is my iPhone listening to me? If you're using an iPhone powered by iOS, the honest answer is this: your phone is not secretly recording all your conversations, but certain features are always listening for specific triggers. And if you value your privacy, there are settings you should turn off right now. One of the biggest concerns is voice activation. Your iPhone listens for the phrase, "Hey Siri," if it's enabled. This feature connects directly to Siri, Apple's voice assistant. While Apple states that audio is processed securely, the microphone remains in a low-power listening mode waiting for that vague phrase. To disable this, go to Settings, tap Siri and search, and turn off Listen for "Hey Siri." You can also disable Press Side button for Siri if you don't use it. This stops your phone from constantly waiting for voice commands. Next, check microphone permissions. Many apps request access to your microphone, even apps that don't need it. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, tap Microphone, and review the list carefully. Turn off microphone access for any app that doesn't absolutely require it. Social media apps, for example, often request microphone access for video features, but they don't need it running all the time. Another important setting is app tracking. Apple introduced app tracking transparency to limit how apps track your activity across other apps and websites. Go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Tracking. Turn off Allow apps to request to track. This prevents apps from collecting behavioral data that can feel like your phone is listening, even when it's really analyzing your online activity. You should also disable significant locations. Go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services, scroll down to System Services, and find Significant Locations. This feature tracks places you frequently visit. While it's designed to improve maps and suggestions, it stores detailed location history. Turn it off if you don't want your phone learning your routines. Finally, review analytics and improvements. Go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Analytics and Improvements, and disable options like Share iPhone Analytics. This reduces the amount of usage data sent back to Apple. Your iPhone is designed with privacy protections, but many features are enabled by default for convenience. The key is understanding that listening often means waiting for commands or collecting usage patterns, not secretly spying. Still, if you want maximum privacy, turning off these settings puts you back in control. Your phone should serve you, not monitor you. Take a few minutes, change these settings, and protect your personal space. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.